G'day, Big G here. I'm standing out the entrance to Walking Street, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to walk up Walking Street. I'm going to show you all the pavement work that they're doing and all the repairs, and we'll see how far up they've gone and see how much progress they've made. Alright, let's go and have a look. Yeah, we're just entering Walking Street now, and you can see on one half of the side of the road they've laid all the new pavements. On the other side here, they're preparing to lay the new pavements. So I'm just outside the Stones house. So you get to know where I am. Come along here a little bit further. And this is where they've done both sides. You can see there's pallets and pallets of bricks everywhere, or pavers. Just outside the red car disco, near the Walking Street sign, the small one. Pallets and pallets and pallets of pavers. Up here they've done both sides. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so there's still bikes and cars coming through. So now this is how it is now. The left hand side sort of like blocked off with pallets, and I'm just outside, where am I? Doles. Skyfall to my right. And you can see this section here, the left hand side sort of like completed, and it's obviously you can see on the right hand side it's not. So just walking along here, just coming up to Sawyer 14 here. And they've done both sides here, they just got to do the middle. All the workers are still here on the right hand side, just outside Panda at the moment. Coming along here, just more pallets. You can see just outside Fahrenheit here. They've done half, there's a bit of a gap in the middle, and they've almost sort of like, well, they've got to take these pavements up, and then they put the new ones down. So obviously they've got one team taking all the pavements up, the old ones, and then another team comes along and lays all the new ones. So that's on the corner of Sawyer 15 and Walking Street. More pavers here. Just outside candy shop. Yeah. Still walking along a little bit further here. And you can see they've cleared all the pavers here. All the old ones have been taken up. So all these new ones will be laid down here. Let's walk up a little bit further here. The road's a little bit bumpy even for walking. Now, there's all the old pavements. I'm just outside Sensations a Go-Go. And that's how far the work has progressed so far. Almost up to the glass house, just outside Sensations. You really got to watch your step when you're walking. Yeah, it doesn't look the best, but give it some time, and when it's finished I reckon it'll look alright. Yeah, so there's all the new pavements over there. Here's all the new ones here to go down. Just coming up again, going back towards Beach Road from Sawyer 15. As you can see, there's Sawyer 15. Food carts are already starting to do some business, ready for the night trade. And as you can see, there's the new pavements that have gone down, and that's the old ones that are going to be taken up. So obviously they don't do one side at a time, they'll go all the way up. There's more pallets again. These ones are very close or almost outside Fahrenheit. Come along here. There's all the old pavers. I'll just go for a walk on the new ones and I'll just show you. There we go. Now here's all the, just wait for these cars to go past. Zooming around again. Just putting some tape up. I think they're going to finish work soon. Nice friendly workers. Sawadee Krap.
Many street food, many.
Right. From outside the Golden Club, if I want to walk down here, I haven't got much of a choice, but I have to walk on the sand here. As you can see, still have the cars coming in. Standing outside, Rich a Go-Go. Walk back along towards Beach Road again. Just walking on the left-hand side of the road as I'm walking out. Whoa! And I'll come back over here to the pavement work that we've already completed. Here's a large section of the pavers that they've been working with. And this little bit of a section here, coming up here, just outside Taboo. They've done both sides of the road here, as you can see. More pallets here just outside the red car disco. I've seen on the internet the other day that it was going to open, or it has reopened, which is good. Everyone knows that famous Walking Street sign. That's where I'm standing now. Yeah, so this part just here, outside the 7-Eleven, unfortunately that 7-Eleven closed over COVID. You see this section here, it's just about complete. We'll drive back up here. More of the pavers there. More there. Almost hitting Beach Road. And more pallets. Now this is the end of Walking Street, hitting Beach Road. Now we just come around the corner here. Around this tight footpath. Obviously it's not the bank now and they're doing some work, so it's going to be something else. Walking along this tight little footpath again. Walking up here. Up to the Bamboo, which is obviously closed. Well, gems across the road there. On the corner of Beach Road and Walking Street here. Through the tight little pathway, past what used to be the Bangkok Bank on the corner here. Obviously now it's not the Bangkok Bank. A known spot for the motorbike taxis there, just outside Walking Street on Beach Road, on the corner here. If you look over the road a bit, can't really see much, but the beer garden has reopened. I was in there having dinner a couple of weeks ago, and that's also good to see. Standing on the corner now and looking back up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll update it in a week or so. Talk to you soon. Big G.